Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing modern PowerPoint template design. So first of all, you're going to go to format background and you're going to insert an image by pressing picture texture fill, and you can also use images from stock. So I'm going to insert this image that I have downloaded from Chrome. You're gonna go to insert tab and shapes and insert a rectangle right below in half of the slide. You're gonna remove its outline and go to insert tab and insert a text box in which you're gonna insert your header of the template. Increase its size, change its font to Agency FB and bold it. We're gonna select it again and increase its size more because it doesn't cover the entire rectangle. Let's adjust the text box by decreasing its size and put it into the center and the middle of the rectangle. Let's increase its size somewhat more, and there you go. Let's move it upwards. Yeah, something like this. Now first of all, you're gonna select the rectangle and then the text box and go to shape, format, merge, and then subtract. Right click on it and go to format shape. And from here, you're gonna give it a gradient of two colors, one white, and you're gonna give it 100% transparency, and the second one also have to be white, but the transparency have to be 0. Now you're gonna insert your copy your text, other content text, and paste it onto your template, and you're gonna duplicate this, and you're gonna move this upper stuff out of the template on top of the template, and this lower content below the template out of the slide. So we're gonna select both of them and give them more transition. So this is the final result, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content.